Because the burden should not lie upon the court or the petitioners to say, but this one has not been disclosed. But now this has not been disclosed.
Now we'll disclose it, Malad, whatever.
We must have finality to it.
Yes, we'll do it, Malad. There's no problem. Just that this constant, Malad, the media constant beating down and the petitioners giving public interviews saying, we will take the state bank to task and we will show this and we will haul them up for contempt, etc., etc. But we are also public institutions working in this space. And it's all right. People work, people acted on the face of this. Your Lordships granted an interim order saying keep records. It wasn't at that time, Malad, subject to correction. I didn't find any order which says all further actions will be subject to the judgment or something. There was no such direction. Your Lordships are at that balancing interim order. Now, whether completely you should lift the privacy or remove anonymity, matters your Lordships will.
Mr. Salve, the idea behind the interim order was in case the writ petition is allowed, then data should come out. And that's what exactly is required. Nothing more.
I must say so, Malad, as out of whatever Malad, the Chief Justice is saying, your Lordship will clarify, we will give every bit of information, relevant, not relevant, we'll give every bit of information which we have. So that, Malad, there should be no feeling that SBI is interested in somehow holding something back. I only want, Malad, to share one thing. Malad, your Lordship's judgment is one of the leading judgments on the subject on transparency, voters' rights, and balancing democracy, balancing the competing virtues of and trying to minimize the role of money while recognizing the role of money in elections, etc. It goes over a lot of subjects. The one thing that Lordship's judgment was not meant for, possibly, and not designed for, is to give birth once again to a now dormant PIL industry, which will go after each industrialist and say, investigate this, investigate this, investigate this, investigate that. And the idea is the voter should know, which is absolutely, and may not say give the bond numbers, we'll give the bond numbers. The voter knowing is one thing, but this as fodder for the next 10 years to have PILs saying investigate so-and-so, investigate so-and-so. That is, I don't think, the purpose of your Lordship's judgment. That was not what it was meant for. And your Lordship will see whatever safeguards need to be put in place.